तुम काम से घर आ गए हो? Did you come home from work? Did you come home from work? क्या तुम मुझे फोन कर सकते हो? Can you call me? Can you call me? क्या तुम कल मिल सकते हो? Can you meet tomorrow? Can you meet tomorrow? तुम कितने समय से इंतजार कर रहे हो? How long have you been waiting? How long have you been waiting? क्या तुम इस बार आ सकते हो? Can you come this time? Can you come this time? क्या तुमने अपना बैग लिया? Did you take your bag? Did you take your bag? क्या तुम छुट्टी पर जा रहे हो? Are you going on vacation? Are you going on vacation? तुम मेरे लिए क्या लाए हो? What did you bring for me? What did you bring for me? क्या तुमने मेरे लिए कुछ सोचा? Did you think of something for me? Did you think of something for me? क्या तुमने उसका जवाब दिया? Did you reply to him? Did you reply to him? तुमने क्या खरीदा है? What did you buy? What did you buy? क्या तुम मुझसे नाराज हो? Are you upset with me? Are you upset with me? क्या तुम मुझे कुछ बताना चाहते हो? Do you want to tell me something? Do you want to tell me something? क्या तुमने ये पहले किया था? Have you done this before? Have you done this before? क्या तुम यहाँ अकेले हो? Are you alone here? Are you alone here? क्या तुम मुझे कुछ मदद दे सकते हो? Can you give me some help? Can you give me some help? क्या तुम घर में अकेले हो? Are you alone at home? Are you alone at home? तुम क्या करना चाहते हो? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? क्या तुमने उसे फोन किया है? Did you call him? Did you call him? तुमने खाना खाया है? Have you eaten? Have you eaten? क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? क्या तुम ये चाहते हो? Do you want this? Do you want this? क्या तुम मुझसे बहस करना चाहते हो? Do you want to argue with me? Do you want to argue with me? तुमने ये कैसे किया? How did you do this? How did you do this? क्या तुम मुझे छोड़कर कहीं जा रहे हो? Are you going somewhere without me? Are you going somewhere without me? क्या तुम मुझे थोड़ी देर बाद कॉल करोगे? Will you call me after a while? Will you call me after a while? तुम कब तक घर आओगे? When will you be home? When will you be home? क्या तुमने अपना काम पूरा किया? Did you finish your work? Did you finish your work? क्या तुम मुझे जल्दी कॉल कर सकते हो? Can you call me quickly? Can you call me quickly? क्या तुम मुझसे बात कर रहे हो? Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me? क्या तुमने उसकी मदद की? Did you help him? Did you help him? तुमने क्या सोचा है? What have you thought? What have you thought? क्या तुम मुझे इसके बारे में बताओगे? Will you tell me about this? Will you tell me about this? क्या तुम मुझे 1 घंटा और दोगे? Will you give me 1 more hour? Will you give me 1 more hour? क्या तुमने मुझसे कुछ पूछा? Did you ask me something? Did you ask me something? क्या तुम इसे अच्छे से समझ पाओगे? Will you be able to understand this properly? Will you be able to understand this properly? क्या तुम अब घर वापस जा रहे हो? Are you going home now? Are you going home now? क्या तुम मेरे साथ घर चलोगे? Will you come home with me? Will you come home with me? क्या तुम घर पर हो? Are you at home? Are you at home? क्या तुमने इसे फिर से किया? Did you do it again? Did you do it again? क्या तुम मुझसे मिलना चाहते हो? Do you want to meet me? Do you want to meet me? क्या तुम ये करना चाहते हो? Do you want to do this? Do you want to do this? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? क्या तुमने मुझे बताना बंद कर दिया? Did you stop telling me? Did you stop telling me? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? क्या तुमने वह संदेश भेजा? Did you send that message? Did you send that message? क्या तुम मुझे इसे दिखा सकते हो? Can you show me this? Can you show me this? क्या तुम मुझे यहाँ छोड़ दोगे? Will you drop me here? Will you drop me here? क्या तुम अपना सामान ले आए हो? Will you bring your stuff with you? Will you bring your stuff with you? क्या तुम मेरे साथ रहोगे? Will you stay with me? Will you stay with me? क्या तुमने कुछ खरीदा है? Did you buy anything? Did you buy anything? क्या तुम जल्दी तैयार हो सकते हो? Can you get ready quickly? Can you get ready quickly? क्या तुम मुझसे मिल सकते हो? Can you meet me? Can you meet me? क्या तुमने यह जगह देखी है? Have you seen this place? Have you seen this place? क्या तुम इसे जल्दी खत्म कर सकते हो? Can you finish this quickly? Can you finish this quickly? क्या तुम मुझे इसे समझा सकते हो? Can you explain this to me? Can you explain this to me? क्या तुम मुझे एक गिलास पानी दे सकते हो? Can you give me a glass of water? Can you give me a glass of water? क्या तुमने कुछ खरीदा है? Did you buy something? Did you buy something? क्या तुम मुझे ये दिखा सकते हो? Can you show me this? Can you show me this? क्या तुम मेरे लिए कुछ ला सकते हो? Can you bring something for me? Can you bring something for me? क्या तुम मेरे साथ आ सकते हो? Can you come with me? Can you come with me? तुम कितने समय से इंतजार कर रहे हो? How long have you been waiting? How long have you been waiting? क्या तुमने उसे बताने का फैसला किया है? Have you decided to tell him? Have you decided to tell him? क्या तुम कल मुझे कॉल करोगे? Will you call me tomorrow? Will you call me tomorrow? अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो को शेयर करें। एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आगे आपको और कौन से टॉपिक पर वीडियो चाहिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन।